Hey guys, can you hear me? Hey. Nice. We're taking it a little bit slow. As usual, every start of the month is usually slow, especially once we have an FP. An FP week is a little bit tricky, so it's always best to take it slow. You know, most of our profits come from the last 2 weeks of every month. Even, you know, last month our most profitable trade was literally in the last day of the month. So that happens for a reason. That's when we have the cleanest moves. So let's see what we have. Dollar is in an interesting spot because we just took out previous monthly high and previous weekly highs. So weekly on dollar could play two ways with NFP. Because it's pushing above these highs, we may see a rejection coming down, or we could see a further push to the upside and a close. And a bullish close on dollar would mean retest and continuation. We have a kind of big range on the weekly, so we need to be careful about that. I do have a feeling that dollar will break higher. So I do have a feeling that dollar can break higher. Daily also taking this high. We can either, we can also come higher into the 0.7 level fib today, and then maybe we could see a drop. We have this nice imbalance here as well. So there's multiple scenarios that we can have on EU, especially after this nice drop, which I wasn't really expecting to happen, but it happened for 170 pips. We cut 2R out of that. Now it kinda, if we follow market structure, we are still bullish unless we break below this low right here. So as you can see now, we are currently reacting from this area right here. Now this isn't valid. So what I'm expecting now, because we are back at the lows, also we need to take care of monthly candle, which just opened bearish after a monthly break of structure to the upside right here. We had a close, so this can be a retest. This is what I'm seeing. Weekly coming back towards the lows. We did take out previous daily weekly lows. Daily, now I would like this daily candle to close bullish, because if this daily candle closes bullish, tomorrow, which is Friday NFP, we could see a week down, and then we could see a big push to the upside if that happens. So it's very important to see how the daily candle closes today, and also for our structure, right? We will need some more bullishness on the 4 hour if you wanna take those buys. That's the plan, because we already had the sells, we caught the sells. Now I just want to see if we respect the lows here to continue going higher. If we get a 4 hour close below the lows, then we could expect a pullback buy from here, but then a continuation bearish. So right now want to see what news do today. We have some news today. We have some news in 10 minutes. And then we have some more news in 1 hour and 30 minutes. But I will just see news and the 4 hour close. see if we have a more bullish 4-hour close. But that's the plan to for tomorrow. I'm expecting to see EU realign bullish and get a nice buy position in, but for that I need to see the low being put in. So very similar thing to GU. If we take the daily time frame from this low towards the highs, we tap the 0.7 level, we go down, four-hour, right at that 4-hour flip zone, those wicks, perfect reaction if we have a 4-hour bullish close. Daily is obviously not going to close bullish, but GU had a bigger drop than EU. GU dropped heavily today, around 140 pips. So maybe we'll see the low being put in, and then also GU is going to have a nice range to the upside. And gold is just playing around. We reacted from the daily demand again, came back to the highs, and now gold is currently stuck in between a range. The high here, the low there. So 4-hour did break lower now. Not sure what it wants to do. I'll stay away from gold. What's your stop loss normally? My stop loss normally is, 15, 20, 25 pips on EU and GU. Risk reward is 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Dollar, want to see if we reject after taking this monthly weekly high, and if we come down. If daily 4-hour, we close bearish after taking this high, dollar would have to come down, so that would realign align perfectly with our EU GU buys. So that's the plan, very simple. We caught ourselves on EU, took 2R. Now we are patiently waiting for the next opportunity to start the month right with a win. So if we see the setup, and I kind of like it, the way I see it is if we drop a little bit lower, I will also try a riskier entry, but I want my stop loss to be 10 pips, 10 to 12 pips below this low in case it just liquidates it. So my stop loss will have to be, somewhere 1.099. So for that I would need price to come around 150. So I can have a 30 pip stop loss, would be pretty nice. Easy 1 to 2 towards the high here. So that would be the preferred one. Didn't dollar realign bearish on monthly? No, we're not looking at dollar bullish. We're looking at dollar to potentially reject the high here and come back down. And yeah, basically come back down. Not looking at dollar bearish unless we close above the 0.7 retracement level. If we get a close here, then yeah, we could see dollar continuing bullish. What percent you risk? I risk between 0.5 and 1 hour. Why did you stop trading with 5 pip stop loss? Because I scaled up my capital quite a lot, and you cannot trade with 5 pip stop loss if you're trading millions of dollars. You can put 100 pips, 100 lots, because the commission is gonna eat you up. So you need safer, good returns. No, I'm not trading pound JPY. It's very volatile, so I don't like it. It had a big drop yesterday, but this looks like it should continue down. Alright, we have news in about 4 minutes. Yeah, GJ just corrected the whole move, and now coming back down, so we could have a retracement, continuation. Pretty good. But GJ, I feel GJ is for gamblers. I am looking for buys on EU, but not yet. I need to see some more confirmation. Maybe tomorrow, if we have that daily close bullish, maybe tomorrow I will look for a buy, yes. Because the thing is, we have a pretty big range to the upside, right? So from here to here is like 30 pips. to the next point is like 80, 70 pips, which will be enough to give you a 1 to 2. And then if you want to swing it, I do see EU continuing a lot higher, so 170 pips, pretty good, right? So let's see. Let's see how we play out. News in 2 minutes. I don't think we're gonna have a lot of volatility today. Market is waiting for that NFP. VO and NFP, I need to see how price action is tomorrow. No, I don't consider all of that. So we closed last month with, what was it, 2.5%. We had a good winning streak. We went to like 2R, 2%, and we lost 3 trades in a row, 0.5%, then we secured 2R, so 2.5 for September. I was expecting, I mean, it's good, that's my target, 2 to 4%. Now I don't really take partials on 1-1 unless it's a riskier trade and I close 80% to 100%. So I'm very strict. I like 1-to-1s. 1-to-1s are pretty nice. But yeah, 3%, 2%, 2.5% a month is pretty good returns for a retail trader that only has trading view and, you know, meta trader or whatever. When 99% of people lose, it's pretty good. Oh, I'm not looking at USD NOK. Fortunate, a long-term goal is to have a very sustainable prop firm that can pay out everyone. That's respecting the rules, obviously. We got news in 30 seconds. Do you guys think it would be big move? I don't think unemployment claims is gonna be big. Tomorrow is gonna be pretty insane. Maybe we see some spots of reversal. Future currency depegging? What do you mean? Like USDT, USDC? You're trading 0. Thank you. That's why I made a bunch of money from trading. Alright, this is looking sketchy. Guys, if you want to know about the trading plan, how we manage trades, etc., just join us, swap.com/nfx. We got the codes down below. Bad numbers? Yeah. I mean, not a big change. I mean, yeah, it is worse than expected, but today's gonna range 100%. I don't see EU breaking. Maybe Asia high. Maybe. And GU, I don't know what happened with GU today, but GU was aggressive. GU did not want to play today. Asia high. Yeah, if it wants to break this little range, sure. I take like 3, 4, 5 trades a month, not that much. I took this trade from London waiting whole day for that Asia high, but I think it will be a break even. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty good, huh? No, I do copy trades my account. Yeah, I do copy trade. Use Traders Connect from my IC Markets personal account. Today is Euro Bank holiday, is it? Oh yeah, it is Euro Bank holiday. That's why EU didn't really drop that much. This bullshit price action is expected when there's NFP coming. NFP week. NFP week is usually like this. I take around 4 to 5 trades a month. So there is a lot of waiting involved, which is pretty nice. You don't have emotions. Friday is not a good day to trade. Well, if there's a good setup for NFP, it's a good day to trade. You can trade the... If you have a setup before, you can trade the NFP move. You can take an impulse trade with the news. You can take a continuation trade. If you know NFP corrects it immediately, you usually have a continuation, and then you have Monday, which Monday usually continues the NFP move. My audio is fine, I think. Now, on trading challenges, I trade more often. There's a YouTube video that I want to start recording where I show you how I pass a phase 1, phase 2 account. And yes, I do take more trades during challenges, but I haven't taken any challenge, so I'm just trading my capital and the profit from capital that I have. So I don't need to trade that much, because everything I do comes to the bank account. And you know, making high 5 figures from trading, pushing a few buttons, taking a few trades a month, pretty good. Any plans on managing team of traders? Yeah, here's the thing, I don't trust other traders. I only trust myself in, you know, to risk my money, because I know how hard trading is. So I don't really want to put my trust into other people unless they have a very good trading system that's very mechanical. But emotions, I don't trust other people when it comes to emotions. Emotions are a powerful thing. See, GU is maybe getting ready for that, for our bullish close. Be pretty nice. What times I treat it at same time frames. I just take entries, you know, with a lower stop loss, because I don't wanna... There's not a lot of opportunities where price is moving a lot. So I trade using lower stop losses, like 10 pips. Expect Easy to break the previous monthly high. I mean, that's a big move. It's 200 pips. We need to see if euro comes back down, then it's back in the same range that it has been for more than a year. So that would suck. Basically in the same range after breaking it to the upside. So I don't know. Past phase one, congrats. That's what you see if you learn. 2-year consolidation, yeah, honestly, pretty annoying. I prefer 4-hour time frame continuation. No, I never studied IC. I can trade. 3.5 pip stop loss. I'd say max for personal capital is 1%. You really never live trade. You talk about setup on chart, but I've never seen you opening a position in live. No offense, but that could be confusing. Well, we took a trade last Friday. Oh, was it last? No, Friday? Monday. This Monday. No. Is it? Yeah, this Monday. We took a trade this Monday. After I streamed. Didn't I stream Monday? Or was it Tuesday? Can't remember. So I make my analysis, but you know, I only stream 1 hour. So the probability that my entry, if I'm taking let's do some math, right? If I take 5 years, if I take 5 trades in a month, and I stream 1 hour twice a week on YouTube, what's the probability that my entry will present during the live stream? It's not that high, right? So I do my analysis, I say what I'm waiting for, and then it comes to people to execute if the setup presents itself with their trading plan. I don't come here on YouTube to trade the demo account and take 3 trades a day just to give some dopamine to people watching. I'm trading to make money. And for me to make money, I don't need to trade that much. I think it makes sense, right? How much capital is too much? What do you mean too much? It depends how much you want to make. I'm still with IC Markets because I haven't found a broker. I want to open my own broker soon, in a few months, so I will use that to trade because I'll have a direct bridge. But until then, I'll just use IC Markets. Nice, 8%. I prefer C-Trader, but C-Trader is expensive. The reasoning for the sales was presented in a live call with the trading and FX students. So if you wanna see it, join up. Was a pretty good setup. Wasn't expecting it to drop 50 pips on Monday though, but I guess when you're not expecting it, you're gonna hit it. To store cash in, well, I store my money in crypto. I stored a lot of money in USD when so basically when USD for the last years was going up, I stored a lot of all my money in USD. When USD hit a high and EU hit a very low, like between parity, that's when I switch all my dollar into euro. And now I'm slowly gonna start switching my euro to dollar again. Course update is gonna come. I told you guys it's gonna come, it's gonna come. But don't expect anything crazy, it's just the same information with more, you know, more little golden nuggets. Still short, nice. My leverage with IC Markets is 1 to 500. How you do that? Well, you need a good bank, good exchange rate, and just if you're trading euro dollar every day, when euro is high, you just sell euro. When euro is down, you buy euro, basically. So you stay a step ahead. Yeah, that's good. If it goes through LP, it's very good. Amount of capital, it's up to lot size. So once you start doing 30, 40, 50 lots, you're gonna get slippage. It is, Fortuna is not allowing to buy residence because taxes. If we sell to UAE, we're gonna get charged more taxes for all the income on the company. So it's not worth it. Yeah, exactly. Basic trading spot. Shorted euro. We shorted euro on Monday. Now we're gonna wait to see a potential reversal to buy euro back up. So the plan is wait for daily confirmation 4 hour, or wait for price to come as near as possible towards the low and try to take a buy there. But that's gonna be risky, because euro is still going down without hard time frame confirmation. So you see dollar is coming back above that monthly high, which could push higher to that 0.7 fib level. 0.2% left to pass account. Can I wait for good setup? You trade any setup? I mean, 0.2% should be pretty easy to make, even if you risk 1%, right? You need to catch, I don't know. If you risk 1% with 30 pips, you need to catch like 7 pips. You can have a negative risk reward for that. Short euro to London low, yeah. No, I'm not looking at gold, because here's the thing with war escalations and everything. I don't want to be trading gold. It's too unpredictable, and it's currently pretty ranging, back in the same range. So fundamentally it should go up, but technically it looks like it's gonna go down. So I don't like these moves, right? Because you have, for example, yesterday you had gold move up 160 pips and then coming right back down. Everything in 2 hours. And then coming back up again and then coming back down again. So I don't like this kind of movement. I like clean moves. NFP, I need to see tomorrow, but I would expect dollar to wick up and then touch this area, and then potentially come down. That's what I would expect. If there's a setup before NFP, I will take it. I like volatility. I like news volatility, but I need to be very careful with it. Not a lot of people understand how to take trades, and when you say pre-NFP in news days, I don't take a trade like 5 minutes before the news. That's gambling. If there's a setup, I take it a few hours before just to be positioned for the trade, and I close it hours after the news, after everything is done, right? Just invest into yourself at first. Develop yourself. Become the best. That's what you need to do. How many trades we took in September? Let me watch how many trades we took in September. I can go to Discord on my phone, check NFX trade ideas, NFX alerts, and let's see September. So September we had 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades. Six trades. Oh, I traded quite a lot. 7 trades. 7 trades. So we had 7 trades in September. And it has been pretty clean, right? We only took like 2. It has been very annoying. We've got stopped out break even or weakening our stop losses on a few positions, but we turned out profitable. The win percent, I mean, you can go and look at it. We had the first trade, EU, was a break even. Second trade was a gold sell. We secured 1 hour, 1-to-1. Then we had another EURUSD sell that hit take profit, 1-to-1. So 2 wins, 1 loss. And then EURUSD was a loss, so 2 wins, 2 losses. Another EURUSD where that was kind of sketchy because it like wicked exactly at the stop loss price. So I'm not sure for that, but it hit take profit too. So for 2R. Depends on the broker, it could have been stopped out. I was stopped out on some accounts. Some accounts I was, on IC markets I wasn't stopped out. Then was another break even on GU. And then the 2R win on EU. For the last 3 months, my win rate has been 90% without I've learned from Andrew. So 90% win rate is pretty good. I don't know anyone who has that. So yeah, those are the trades that we took. Yeah, 7 trades and 2.5% profit with a risk management, because some trades were 0.5 risk, some trades were 1%. For Geo, wanna see if this 4 hour can close bullish, can be the start of a reversal. EU, I don't know. You can either continue or reject. We need to see the 4 hour close, do another reanalysis, some potential scenarios, and then off for the day. 90% bro is lying. You think I'm lying? Oh, 9% win rate. Why do you think he's lying? If you only take a few good trades, you can have a high win rate. Here's the thing about me. I can't be bothered to lie about this stuff. I really don't care. If I lose money, I say it. If I make money, I say it. I'm not like this marketers like, oh, 96% win rate and they blew 20 accounts trading the 1 minute time frame. I make money, I'm happy. I don't make money, I'm not happy. No, we haven't had an entry taken on YouTube. No, we took when we had a call with the students, there were some calls where we took trades. GJ, I said GJ should continue down after retest up. Should continue down after retest up, yeah, that's what I said. Because right now it just corrected this move, realign bearish, should retest and continue down, I think. My EU is annoying. That's why I never trade NFP weeks days before. Monday was an exception. I don't usually take trades on Mondays, but that EU setup was pretty clean. Pretty clean. We did have some minor drawdown right here, like 6 pips, and then boom, and then it kept on going. Could have just traced the 1 hour time frame. Here would have been another good entry because you had a nice stop loss covering that high that created a low. Would have been another 1 to 2. It's all about following structure and order flow. Been trading 6 years. So there you go, 13 wins, 2 losses. It's pretty good, pretty good. So you only took 15 trades in 3 months. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, it's crazy. Most guys that like the demo counts is crazy, but it just makes you think like why do they put so much energy into something that's fake, to something that's like, how much money can you make from, I don't know, selling whatever you're selling? It's crazy. But the amount of work they put in to fake this kind of stuff, like, it's mind-blowing to me. Why not just focus all that time into actually getting good at trading? I don't know, it's crazy. It's trying to take shortcuts. After how long after you started trading you made real money? About 3 years. Alex G, yeah. He makes bank from courses though. He makes a lot of money. He doesn't need to trade when you're making 200-300k a month from your courses and broker deals and everything. Why would you either bother trading? You'll need like a 10 million account to make 3% a month to make that kind of money. I overtraded when I passed. Just try to trade less. Try to reduce your trade frequency. So nothing's really happening, huh? Pretty boring day. Take out the lows once more? Yeah, definitely possible. Like I said, if price comes a little bit lower and I see some confirmation, I'll like to enter a buy there, but most likely it's gonna be tomorrow. Gold also looks like it's gonna go down, but again, it's ranging. Why didn't you change to futures? I didn't have time. And I, to be honest, not really in the mood to learn futures, but I have to do it. I have to do it, and I'll do a YouTube series on learning. So I'll purchase a find account, futures find account. I'll try to set it up and try to take some trades. And I'll probably blow the first account, but that's fine. I'll document it so it's funny. I don't know, I've become a little bit comfortable with things, right? I don't really bother to put work into doing something new. I don't know why. I just don't feel it's rewarding enough. Futures trading, I think futures is better than Forex, to be honest. I think you have much cleaner moves, and I know a lot more profitable futures traders than Forex traders. And also because futures usually just trade them New York session. We don't have a 5k challenge yet, but we will have once Trade Logger goes live. Our live? No, I'm gonna end the live in about 10 minutes. I'm not gonna stay for another hour. Futures FX personal brokers, there is pretty much zero difference. Yeah, props are very different. I think futures prop firms are more difficult than CFD prop firms. Definitely. Yeah, trailing drawdown. Which trailing drawdown can suck. Alright, we have the 4-hour close. Let's see. Dollar 1 hour closed right at that high. So you see 1 hour, no confirmation that dollar wants to go down. So will most likely continue higher at this point unless we see price closing below this. If we get that close, then this is gonna be the next hour candle with news. We can see a week down, continuation down. Otherwise, we'll just slowly go to the upside. So same thing for EU. Let's see, 4 hour close at the same level. So personally, I wanna go long on EU, but I'm not gonna go today. 1 hour, very patient, very careful, right? 1 hour is still bearish because this is the high that created this low right here. So we didn't break structure to the upside. We're still bearish. All we did was create a new low, retrace, came back down. So there's a higher probability that price will continue lower. So unless I see 1 hour close above this level into tomorrow to take that buy setup on the NFP, I mean that would be pretty good because 4 hour will also realign bullish. Until then, nothing for me. This can easily continue down and will probably continue lower. GU, let's see, GU 4 hour close bearish, so I don't like that. 1 hour, you see 1 hour. 1 hour we can take, I like to take this high and this low. So I need a 1 hour close above this level. Retracement, price to realign bullish on the 15 minute, 5 minute, so it can continue higher. That's what I want to see. And gold, I mean gold, 4 hour close bearish, but this is in a bullish fib. So if you draw the low and the high, it's at the 0.7 level. Again, it's 50-50. I don't like gold. It's also the lows here, so most likely it will reject and come back up. That's what I think. What do you do during a trade? I just do something else. I don't really watch the trade. I just have alerts, watch the trade. Because here's the nice thing about trading with a bigger stop loss, right? Having 20-25 pips and only having 2 take profits. You don't need to watch the trade. Because yeah, you can get stopped out in 2 minutes if there's a big candle, but usually you'll be in the trade for hours or until there's volatility coming in. So I'll just set alerts, check the trade every 30 minutes, see if there's something new. Being glued to the charts is not a good thing. What time frame you trade the most? I'd say 50 minutes. 50 minutes I like to take the entries, or 1 hour. How much spread and commission on EU? On CTrader we have commission is I think it's $3 per lot or $4 per lot. Spread is less than 1 pip. It's like 0.6, 0.8. But you have no delays in execution. The execution is instant, and you have no slippage. So go over the GU and EU again. Alright, so what I said is it's basically stuck in a range, so there's nothing high probability. What I need to see is either price on EU, now I'm talking about EU, price to continue lower, close to here, and then I will maybe take a riskier entry tomorrow to target high. So basically I think that EU will turn bullish again, maybe tomorrow with an FP. Or 4-hour confirmation, that's the most powerful one. 4-hour closure above this high. And then into tomorrow ranging here, maybe a dip down again, and that's gonna be the entry. So because it's a counter trend trade, we need to see price realigning bullish, or we need to see a liquidity low being taken and a V-shaped recovery. Right, so that's the two things that I'm gonna wait for, and that's the EU plan. GU, we need at least a 4-hour bullish close, because right now it was a big drop, so not looking at anything, and 1 hour to slowly close above this level, and in turn 4-hour closing bullish, and then same story. But my main focus is gonna be tomorrow. I can say that I've had the best execution, the best entries with Fortuna, instant executions. Perfect. See? Pretty nice. So that's the plan for EU and GU. That's what I'm gonna wait for. You can rewatch it, and you can rewatch the old streams, and you'll see the same thing. The plan that I did was followed perfectly. And again, trading is all about patience. It's actually forming objectives, then forming potential plays, and then patience. And entry, the actual trading, is the last. Anyone can press buy, anyone can press sell, anyone can put a lot size in, anyone can put a stop loss in, but not a lot of people can plan a trade for so long and use good risk management, good trade management, and wait for the trade to come to them, develop. So you don't see me trading today because there's nothing to be traded. And I know that there's gonna be a move coming in tomorrow because we have an FP. Now I don't say trade news, but I know that's when volatility is gonna come in. So if I wanna risk 1%, why would I risk it today when there's prices ranging? I don't know what's gonna do. Why not wait for confirmation? If I have the confirmation, such, you know, price realigning in a good direction, my direction, with my higher time frame objective, my targets, my plan, I'll wait for that. And if that happens, I'll take a trade based on that. I'll risk my 1% on that setup because I know that has a higher probability of winning, like making me money, other than that, you know, buying now with no confirmation and just waiting for gods to push price up. So wait for confirmation, wait for when volatility is coming in, take your shots then, and that's gonna make you a good trader. So thank you guys for joining another boring live trading stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow for NFP.